Hello children, I Ushma Parmar is back with another video of math subject for class 2, and our today's topic is division. Children, division means repeated subtraction. That you all know children, that as we have done in our class, that division means repeated subtraction. For example, if we wants to divide 30 by 10, that is 30 divided by 10, then our answer is 3. So what you will do as repeated subtraction, you will minus 10, again minus 10, again minus 10 from 30. So 3 times you will minus 10, 10, 10 till answer comes 0. Okay, you have to minus till 0 comes. So children, how many times 10 you have minus? You have minus 10 3 times. Okay, so our answer is 3. So by dividing 30 by 10, our answer is 3. Okay children, understood what is the meaning of repeated subtraction? Now children, we are going to learn about division sums. Now in division sums, see, this is a division sum line. Okay, this is division sum line. And children, if any number that you divide, okay, whatever number you divide, that is called dividend. Okay, see, dividend, dividend, dividend. And you divide that number with the number that is called divisor. Means here 27 is dividend and 3 is divisor. Okay, means you are dividing 27 with 3. So 3 is divisor and 27 is dividend. Okay, now to divide sums, how you will calculate, how you will divide, that we will learn. Same number here, 27 divide by 3. So you have to divide 27 by 3. So for that you will say table of 3. Okay, table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. So children, in table of 3, 27 comes. So you have to take that multiplication fact and you have to write in division sums. 3 up you have to write 9 and then 27. So 3 nines are 27, and then you have to subtract both the numbers. So from 27, if you subtract 27, our answer is 0. Okay, so children, the 9 that comes is called quotient. Okay, 9 is quotient and remainder 0. Okay, now you will understood with another sum. We will do another sum. Okay, so that you can better understand. Now 55 divided by 9. Our another sum is 55 divided by 9. Now you will say table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Now children, see here in the table 55 is not there. So instead of 55 we have to take smallest number. Okay, smallest than 55. So we have to see in which multiplication fact which smallest number comes, then 55. So 9 6 ja 54. Okay, 54 is smallest than 55. So we will take that multiplication fact, 9 6 ja 54. So 9 is already there, 6 you have to write up, then 54, and you have to minus 54 from 55. So our answer 0 1. Okay, so our quotient is 6 and remainder 1. Okay children, so whatever is left, that is called remainder. Understood, children, about this quotient, dividend, divisor and remainder? Now children, our next is division fact. Now you will see that what is division fact. Division fact means, see, 64 divided by 8 equal to 8. Okay, you have to say table of 8. 8 8s are 64. So this is our division fact. 81 divided by 9 equal to 9. 9 9s are 81. 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. 2 10s are 20. Okay. 55 divided by 11 equal to 5. 11 5s are 55. Okay. So these all are division fact. Okay children. So in second standard you will learn only about this division fact and division sums of 2 digit. Okay. Thank you.